Substituting null values. If needed, Oracle allows us to substitute null values in the results. For example, we get null values as a part of result from this SQL. Now, I can use a function called NVL, like NVL open parenthesis commission percentage, comma 0. What this will do is, if there are any rows with null values in this commission percentage column, it will replace it with a value specified here. I have specified 0 as an example. Let's run this SQL. You see the null values have been replaced with 0. The non-null values remain just as they are. There is one condition in this substitution though. The substituting value should also be of the same format as the column. If you see the column, commission percentage is a number column. So I cannot do a character substitution here. It fails. Invalid number. We can also use NVL function in concatenations. And my commission percentage is 0. So it's more readable this way. Thank you for watching.